Hey there! Welcome back to Triplezon, where we explore the top 3 best car vacuum cleaner options to help you keep your car spotless with ease, power, and versatility. From compact portability to multifunctional performance, we've got the best picks for every driver. Let's get started. Number 3 on our list is the Cenrr CE-203 car vacuum cleaner. The Cenrr CE-203 car vacuum cleaner is a versatile handheld wireless device designed to simplify car cleaning and maintenance. Operating on an 11.1-volt system, this compact cleaner weighs just 680 grams, making it highly portable for everyday use. Its design integrates 3 main functions: vacuuming, blowing/inflating, and exhausting, allowing users to tackle dust, debris, and even small inflatables with ease. At the heart of the CE-203 is a powerful 11.1-volt high-speed brushless motor capable of reaching 130,000 RPM, paired with an anti-blocking rotation design and over-temperature warning to ensure safe and efficient operation. The device's filtration system uses a high-efficiency air filter that can be cleaned, maintaining strong suction and preventing clogging over time. The vacuum cleaner features a fully enclosed turbofan blade design, enhancing airflow while minimizing dust escape. Its ABS shell provides durability and impact resistance, while the 7500 mAh battery ensures extended usage. Users can switch between high, medium, and low gears to match the cleaning intensity to the task at hand. Cenrr CE-203 includes a logo breathing light and a charging display for convenient monitoring, along with a Type-C 5V2A charging cable. A range of accessories expands its functionality, including a brush, flat tube, large nozzle, 3 inflatable attachments, a long pole, and a long pole brush, making it adaptable for various surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. With its combination of portability, powerful motor, and multifunctional accessories, the Cenrr CE-203 car vacuum cleaner offers a comprehensive solution for keeping vehicles clean and well-maintained, while also providing practical features for ease of use and safety. Number 2 is the Szuk C012 car vacuum cleaner. The Szuk C012 car vacuum cleaner redefines convenience and efficiency for automotive cleaning. At its core is an 11.1V high-speed brushless motor that provides powerful suction, capable of tackling dust, debris, and dirt in even the most hard-to-reach areas. This motor not only delivers impressive performance, but also ensures durability and quiet operation, making every cleaning session efficient and hassle-free. Designed with versatility in mind, the Szuk C012 goes beyond simple vacuuming. Its multifunctional design incorporates blowing, inflating, and exhausting capabilities, allowing it to handle a variety of tasks beyond standard cleaning. From clearing dust from tight crevices to inflating air mattresses or exhausting excess air, this tool adapts to different needs with ease. Portability is a key feature of this mini vacuum cleaner. Weighing only 380 grams, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for on-the-go cleaning or for use in confined spaces like car interiors. Its compact form factor ensures that it can be stored conveniently without taking up much space. The vacuum is equipped with a washable HEPA filter, which provides high-efficiency filtration and captures fine dust particles, helping maintain clean air inside the vehicle. This feature not only enhances cleaning performance, but also promotes a healthier environment during use. Powering the Szuk C012 is a robust 18650 32,000 mAh battery, offering extended operating time for uninterrupted cleaning. Users can rely on its long-lasting battery to complete thorough cleaning sessions without frequent recharging, making it a dependable companion for maintaining vehicle hygiene. Overall, the Szuk C012 car vacuum cleaner combines strong suction, multifunctionality, portability, and efficient filtration in a compact design, presenting a comprehensive solution for keeping vehicles clean and fresh. And finally, our number one pick is the Baseus AT car vacuum cleaner. The Baseus AT car vacuum cleaner redefines convenience and versatility for both car and home use. This innovative 4-in-1 device combines a car vacuum cleaner, inflator, air pump, and windblower into a single compact tool, making it a practical solution for a variety of everyday tasks. Its turbocharged DC motor, capable of reaching 45,000 RPM, delivers a powerful 5,000 pass suction, efficiently removing dust and debris from every corner of your car or home. Designed with a T-shaped, streamlined body, the Baseus AT offers an improved grip, ensuring comfortable handling during extended cleaning sessions. The dual-core intelligent control chip monitors performance both internally and externally, providing added security and reliable operation. Built to withstand high temperatures up to 75 degrees Celsius, its composite flame-retardant material ensures safety during use. The device's multifunctionality extends beyond vacuuming. Its blowing function is ideal for clearing window tracks or car interior gaps, while the inflating feature can quickly fill balloons, swimming rings, or other inflatable items. The compacting function allows users to compress luggage or storage bags, making it easier to save space and organize belongings efficiently. Equipped with a 20-minute battery life, the Baseus AT car vacuum cleaner balances portability and power, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning and inflating tasks. With its thoughtful design, high-performance motor, and multiple practical functions, this all-in-one device provides an elevated experience in maintaining cleanliness, organization, and convenience whether on the road or at home. This compact yet powerful tool brings a new level of practicality to everyday chores, streamlining tasks that would otherwise require multiple devices. Its versatility, performance, and ergonomic design make it a standout solution for modern lifestyles. That's a cleaning power wrap. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more top car gadgets and tech reviews.